It is Saturday, the 26th of July 2025, if I'm not mistaken. We're looking at the Montreal Skyline, enveloped in smoke from the wildfires out west. We can see smoke haze down at the railway track level there behind the lights. We can barely see the outline of buildings of Montreal Skyline through the haze. I was out here earlier this morning, a couple hours ago, and then you could see absolutely nothing. It was just total haze. But as we can see now, it's a little after 9, it's about 9:15, 9:20 in the morning. We can just faintly make out the skyline buildings. So that's it. Just wanted to report on the smoke haze situation today, Saturday, July 26th, if I'm not mistaken, 2020.